So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your problem of Valorant error code 57 and it says Vanguard Not Initialized, and how to fix this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open control panel and then make sure the view by is set to category, and then click on uninstall a program and then scroll down a bit till you find Riot Vanguard. Just right click it and then click on uninstall and wait for it to completely uninstall. Then restart your PC and then open Riot client, and here what you need to do is click on Valorant, and then here you'll see it will say update or just install. So just click on that button and then it will reinstall Riot Vanguard. And yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.